You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the city name. We'll be looking at how to say more city names that too many people mispronounce, both from the UK and the US. Loads to learn here. Make sure to stay tuned. Yes, there are two different pronunciations. If you're talking about the city in the UK, it's said as Leominster. Leominster. You skip half of the word, if more. Leominster. Now, in Massachusetts, the city name, the same city name is said as Leominster. Leominster makes a little more sense. Why not Leominster? But I don't know. Leominster, US, Leominster, UK. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.